Hello darlings, here I come back. Haven't seen you for a long time. I'm drawing again today. What we draw today is a study of flowers in Hua Yuli's translation. The tools I use today are still my old friends, our soft tip marker pen. First, we start with the skin. Let's start with slightly a little red color paints it heavy color. Then use the lightest and lightest skin tone to adjust it. Smudge the skin again. Then use another layer of darker color to recolor its shadows. Go at it. Let's draw the eyes. We still use a gradient color as a base color to give it a base. Then add the heavy color inside the and its highlights. Then let's draw the hair, or find a lighter color to make a base first. Thousands. Don't go black for the first time, or a heavy color, because we're going to finish the bottoming of the first layer. Keep your light colors out by leaving blank. Add heavy colors to it layer by layer. Layer by layer like this to superimpose. In this way we can draw a texture of the hair, instead of pitch black. Slightly shallower at first. It's not enough, just add more. But if it's too heavy to begin with, in the end, there's no way to get any shallower. Let's take a look. The big red flower in the hair. Don't come to a big red one at a time. Must go to him first. The lightest color inside the brightest to add. After adding it, it looks like layer by layer, add his heavy color to him. Layer by layer is not enough. You can leave the shallow place for him. Including these gold jewelry is the same. Use a light color to prime him first. Layer by layer overlay color. Finally hit me. I want to add a little decoration to him. Then I chose an acrylic marker because he has the ability to cover, so you can go directly to the upper layer to superimpose his shallow. And these flowers, let's go get him some highlights. Let him spin the hole. There is also a contrast between heavy and bright colors. Then hold the highlighter and can't stop. Just give him beep 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 beep. Click on the atmosphere color. Okay, let's start drawing his clothes now, because his whole clothes are dark on one side and light on the other. What about the white part? Let's start with the light gray base. Layer by layer to superimpose him the dark color inside the fold. What about the red part? I still use light red to give him a primer first. After the whole bottoming is completed, then superimpose on him what is produced in his fold. Darker color. Use your base color. Go ahead and smudge him a little bit. Make him look more natural. The skirt inside is also away. After adding light and dark, let's add it again. This faint little pattern. Small folds. Note that we have to figure out how bright or dark it is. This is good for you to control it. Where should the bright colors be controlled? Where should the overlapping color be added? Finally, we're going to add his jewelry. These little necklaces and earrings and beads. There are still some faint patterns on the clothes. Just let our screen be seen from a distance. It's okay to look up close. Let's use another. This soft acrylic pen. Go get these little. Accidentally covered these gold chains just now. Go give him some. On my head I use a manicure one. Glitter glue. Go and cover it all over the jewelry. The whole picture looks like be bling bling. Then our painting is finished. Have you learned it?